Hey, do housing costs have you stressed? You're not alone. With higher mortgage rates and rising home prices, affordability is getting tight. That could be why more people are choosing to go with multi-generational homes. A study shows the top reasons buyers purchase a multi-generational home. 28% of first-time buyers did it for the cost savings, and 11% of repeat buyers had the same motivation. Imagine combining incomes to cover the mortgage and the bills. It's a game changer, especially if you've had a hard time affording a home on your own. And guess what? 28% of first-time buyers and 18% of repeat buyers did it because they wanted a larger home. Even today, that larger home could be within reach when you and your loved ones pool your incomes together. Now, finding a multi-generational dream home isn't like a regular house hunt. You have to find a place where you'll all be comfortable under one roof, and that's where I come in. I can help you locate a home that everyone will love and won't break the bank. If a multi-generational home is something that might be an option for you, let's talk. We'll find that perfect home for you and your crew. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. We'll talk to you soon.